Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ratu Insani Ramadona from the Master Program in Geography Education at Universitas Negeri Padang. Today I will present a topic titled Concept of Writing Geography Research. This presentation is prepared as part of my coursework under the guidance of Professor Dr. Dede Hermon and Dr. Bayu Wijianto. Thank you for the opportunity to present this material today. Next, introduction to the concept of geography research. In the introduction to the concept of geography research, there are four. First, definition means geography research is a scientific study and focus on spatial phenomena on the Earth's surface, including the interaction between human and the environment. The second objective means understanding the patterns, distribution, and process that occur in space and their implication for social, economy, and environmental life. The third is that the provide is best for regional planning, disaster mitigation, resource management, and support spatial database decision making as well as the integration of spatial concept, interaction pattern and scale, and the last is main characteristic which are future divide into best allocation space, scan, direction, and scale are the core be analyzed, spatial approach using map, GIS, and spatial analysis, integrative combination spatial, geomorphology, climate, on social demographics, economy aspect. Okay, next the essence and purpose of geography research. The first in the spatial approach in research, which means the geography research focus on the distribution and interaction of phenomena on the Earth's surface with a spatial approach. The second is the objective of geography research, meaning that the main objective is to produce location-based information for planning and decision making. The third is the integration of physical and social aspect, meaning the research links physical and social aspect for a comprehensive picture of geographical phenomena. The fourth systematic scientific method means including problem formulation, data collection, analyze, and systematic interpretation of results. Next, structure of geography research writing is accompanied by an introduction in chapter 1 which contains background, geography phenomena study, relevant and urgency, problem formulation, clear and measurable research question, research objective, general and specific, research benefits, scientific and practical contribution. Explain more the first background, tell what is described, the geographical phenomena that is the focus of the research, why is important the study, and is relevant the real problem. Specific example, Padang City has experienced an increase the incidence of fell flood in the last 5 years to the climate change and coastal urbanization, the phenomena has an impact on settlement, infrastructure, and the local economy. So it is necessary to analyze its spatial to determine risk zone. The second problem formulation contain about what is described, clear, measurable, and space-based research question. Specific example, what is the pattern of the distribution of tidal flood on the coast of Padang City? What environmental and social factors affect the level of risk the most? Where the where are the hotspot locations that are priority for mitigation? The third research objective is divided into two, namely general, to comprehensive, study geographical phenomena to understand their patterns, interaction, and impact, as well as special, mapping the distribution of tidal flood on the coast of Padang City, analyzing the relationship between evolution, land cover, and population density to flood risk, determining mitigation priority zone based on spatial analysis. The last two benefit of scientific research, adding literature on disaster risk analysis based on geographical concept, space, pattern, interaction, scale, with practical, providing recommendation for tidal flood mitigation zones for local government, supporting coastal spatial planning. This is adaptive to climate change. In chapter 2 contain the literature review. Relevant geography theories and concepts or space, pattern, interaction, scales, preview study and research gap, a frame of mind, or variable relationship diagram. The first explanation relevant geography theory and concept. Container space, the phenomena occur, location analysis and distribution, pattern of environment of phenomena in space, or random, centralized, linear, interaction or relationship between location or flow of good, people, information, and scale of observation level or local, regional, and global. The second is previous study and research gaps where describe previous research. This is relevant to your topic. Identifies gap. For example, previous research only focus on physical aspect, not integrate social factor or have not used modern spatial analysis or GIS. Example research A map tidal flood in Padang but has not examined the interaction between population density and evolution access. The last thinking framework contains a diagram that shows a the last thinking framework contains a diagram that shows the relationship between variable independent dependent. In chapter 3, content research method which contain explanation of the qualitative, quantitative, or mixed approach depending on which approach we because. Then the research location by describing the area, coordinate, physical social condition, stroke map, and primary data, survey observation, and secondary satellite BPIs. The last The last, anal- the last analytical technique contains the collaboration of words research using GIS, spatial statistic, modeling, and validation. Further explanation. The first ration approach, quantitative mean using numerical data, statistical analysis, and spatial modeling, regression, risk index, while quantitative means file observation, interview, participator, mapping, and mixed mean combination of spatial analysis or GIS with socioeconomic data. Next, research location and research time. Example, the research area on the coast of Padang City and the research time of November, December, accompanied by a map of the location. Furthermore, data and store are divided into two, namely primary data, file survey or GPS, measurement, interview, questionnaire, secondary data, satellite imagery, BPS data, RBI maps, and road network. The last analytical technique constant. GIS overlay, buffer, distance analysis, and thematic map creation, spatial statistic, more than I autocorrection, modeling risk index, hazard, export, and vulnerability. In chapter 4, content result as In chapter 4, content result and discussion which contain present data in the form of map, table, graph, analysis of phenomena according to the concept of geography. compare it with previous theories and research. The first explanation present data in visual form, for example, thematic maps, map of the distribution of phenomena such as food, land change, and analyze map, hotspot, risk index, and interaction patterns, descriptive statistical tables, land cover area, population density, and statistical test result regression. Grab a bar or P diagram for the composition of the line, the analyzed phenomena according to the concept of geography, space to location of phenomena in this distribution. Pattern is phenomena scatter random, centralized, or linear interaction relationship between location, distance, the river effect, flood risk. Scale are the result different of the scale the village versus the scale of watershed. Example, the hotspot map show the contraction of flood flash risk in village near the coast with high population density. The pattern support the concept of spatial interaction because proximity to the coastline increases exposure. The latter compare with previous theories and research to the result support the theory used. Is there any different with previous studies? Describe the cause, method, data, and scale. In Chapter 5, Conclusion and Suggestion contents answer to the formulation of the problem, recommendation for policy or advanced research. Its explanation in conclusion, the most influential factor on risk are distance, the coastline, and build-up land cover height (NDVI). Hotspot analysis show that the mitigation priority areas are in West Padang and South Padang district. Explanation in suggestion, for police, local government need to establish risk map-based flood mitigation zones, strengthen drain infrastructure and evacuation route in high-risk sub-districts. For advanced research at climate change variable, sea level rise, for long-term projects, use high relation data or drone for detailed validation, interact more in-depth social economy analysis for community analysis. In the bibliography, principle must be consistent in following the standard format or APA, MLA, or according to campus requirement. Content author name, your the publication, title, source or journal, book, website, DOI, or URL. Example of APA format, AP, note, geography, a global synthesis, person education. Next, in the concept of research writing, the integration of the concept of space, interaction patterns, and scale, let's discuss one by one. The first in the concept of space, meaning that space is related to the location of and distribution of phenomena on the Earth's surface and the base for spatial analysis, and the second of distribution patterns, meaning the patterns describe the form of distribution of phenomena, such as centralized, scatter, or forming cluster. The third is interlocation interaction, which means the interaction explain or relationship between location, such as the flow of gas, surface, and population mitigation. The fourth is scale influence. Scale determines the level of analysis local to global, which affect the detail and scope the research. In the geography research workflow, there are several flows. The first in variable identification and definition, meaning the research begins by identifying and defining variable operational for proper measurement. Second, data collection means that data is collected both from primary files, surveys, and secondary sources such as satellite imagery and official data. The third is statistical and spatial data analysis, which means that data is analyzed using statistical and spatial methods such as regression and image classification to find patterns. The last is visualis and synthesis of finding, which means the result of analysis are visualis in maps, graph, and table. Then synthesis, which theory the answer to research problem. In the research flow, problem identification, it also explains which contain question determine and geographical phenomena to be studied and formulates space-based research question, then the study of theories and concepts which contain use core concept, space, pattern, interaction, scale, and environment of thinking framework. Furthermore, primary data collection, file survey, GPS, interview, and secondary satellite imagery, DEM, BPI's data, RBI maps, next in spatial processing, and analyze origins. Principle of map presentation and loading accuracy test. Map presentation standards should include title, legend, scale, northern, direction, and data source for clarity of information. Color and symbol need to be consistent and easy to distinguish. Data validation and analysis classification, assurance test, statistical test, and spatial autocorrelation are used to guarantee the reliability of research data and analysis. Documentation and replication data processing process and analyze parameters are important so that research can be replicated by other parties appropriately. Cause and impact of geography research error. Cause of geography research error are user in spatial autocorrelation error. Engineering spatial autocorrelation lead to bias in statistical conclusion geography research. Map without scale or legend. Maps do not have scale or legend complicate interpretation and reduce the clarity of information. Use of data with different resolution without adjustment can lead to distortion in spatial analysis. Impact of research error result in research the inaccurate, difficult of replicate, and can mislead decision makers. In addition, other reasons the inaccurate data such as file measurement error, GPS survey, low quality, incurated satellite image, consistent projection, and coordinate system. Combining data with different GRS without transformation, sample sampling error are not representative only in easily accessible area. Analyzing error generating spatial autocorrelation, statistical result, and incorrect selecting method. Realize local result to a regional scale with no basis, cartography error, map without scale, legend, and misleading colors. On the last slide, I will conclude and recommend in the concept of rating research. Of course, the first in systematic and conceptual research and geography research must be prepared systematically and conceptually based on valid data for accurate result. The second in synthesis of the concept of space and pattern because the synthesis of space, patterns, interaction, and scale is important for a comprehensive and meaningful analysis in geography. The third is GIS and remote sensing technology because the use of GIS and remote sensing technology increases the validity and contribution of geography research. The last is the researcher recommendation because the researcher is advised to update the methods, use the last data, and maintain transparency for reliable results. Okay, thank you very much for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.